Forward from here. News 10's Heather Good joins us now live from outside the Vigo County Courthouse, and she explains what we could see on each half of the state line. Heather.
Susie, Terre Haute falls in an interesting geographic location when talking about this issue. We are in the middle of two vastly different responses to the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade, which made abortion legal across the country. Now it's up to state lawmakers to decide what will be allowed within their state's borders. In Indiana, the Republican supermajority is likely to restrict access to abortion now that the Supreme Court has weighed in. What is unclear is how far conservatives will go. Will there be exceptions for rape and incest? What about the health of the pregnant person? Now, we do know Indiana Governor Eric Holcomb has called a special session for July. You can see his reaction to the Supreme Court's decision on your screen now. He said it was to address inflation, but Republicans had already asked him to call lawmakers back to make changes to abortion regulations should the Supreme Court decide what it did today. Holcomb is calling this an opportunity and says he will take action to, quote, protect the sanctity of life. Now, on the other side of the state line, Illinois and Chicago specifically are being called an oasis for abortion services. Governor J.B. Pritzker is also calling for a special session, this one to protect reproductive rights. He said the state has, quote, planned for this terrible day by passing the Reproductive Health Act to ensure people have access to safe abortions.
To the single mom juggling 4 kids and 3 part-time jobs, Illinois will fight for you. To the teenage child who endured rape or incest.
Trigger law in place in Indiana, at least right now. Abortions are legal here. There are 7 abortion clinics in Indiana. The closest one to the Wabash Valley is in Bloomington. Susie?
Thank you, Heather. Well, there's a lot to unpack with this major development. You can count on us as we will